Is it giving rich auntie? Because I feel like rich auntie vibes. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, what's up, Glammies? It's your girl Morgan, aka More Too Much, and welcome back to All the MORGGLAM TV. It is Sunday, aka Fun Day, aka the day we brunch. So it is also my grandmother's birthday, and she's turning 80 today. We're gonna go meet her and my mom at this restaurant I've been wanting to try. And I know y'all probably be like, girl, you've been eating out damn near every day. And this is true, but I really want to try this restaurant. I'm taking y'all with, of course. Let's go. I wanted to try to give you all a quick outfit look. Of course, y'all already know the story about the white coat from Shein. If you cared to know, these gloves that I'm wearing are also from Shein. Shades are Gucci. Dress is from Zara. Cannot remember where I got these scrunch boots, but they are so comfortable. They're literally the most comfortable pair of heels that I own. I can do anything in these. I used to love wearing these to the office. But yep, this is our look today. Just wanted to do a little extra on a Sunday. Right with my favorite person, as you already know. Y'all know Nugget very well at this point. We have finally arrived. Parking was a nightmare, as you can see, but we didn't park over there. We have hugged the tree, as the owner of the barn instructed us to do, because they're having like a private party in his building, which is, I mean, it's cute, I guess, but it's just like the inconvenience of it all. But we have arrived safely. Nugget, very cute, per usual, always giving what needs to be given. BMG on the lashes. And we have Miss BMG herself. Okay. I'm really excited, you guys, because I have been successfully checking off restaurants that I wanted to try all week, and I've had really high expectations for this place, heard some really good things about it, and I'm super excited to be doing it with my favorite people.
Happy birthday, baby! You started already? Is there alcohol in here? That's right, Nadine. Hello, Fowler. You look so pretty. All of our first time, everyone's first time here together.
Oh, Nika! It's so cute down here, you guys. They have a whole little picture area downstairs. You can't see me right here, but I'm gonna show y'all when we go out. Coming out the bathroom. So cute.
Did you have fun? Good.
family brunch. Also, I'm about to convince my sister to slide me to Ulta before we head home because I have some stuff I need to pick up before my appointment tomorrow. Layla, please not plunge us into the creek. I will be devastated. We are now on our way to Ulta because I really have to secure that jumbo translucent setting powder case from Laura Mercier because Laura knows I run through my setting powder like water, like water. So I do need that jumbo while they have it available, and just see what else I can scavenge up. It's just you never don't need something for your makeup kit, and that's just that. I'm a little lit from brunch, y'all. I'd be lying if I said I was not, but we have arrived to Ulta. She don't want to be back here with me. Back.
Our business was handled yesterday.
Yeah, here I am. With a lack. I need to handle my business. I need to re-up. I need to handle my business. I need to re-up. You know why I'm here.
I'm like a prairie girl.
Girl, yes, little house. Little house on the prairie.
Exactly.
Ooh, my mask. Came in here trying to snag the limited edition jumbo translucent powder from Laura Mercier, but they're sold out, so I'm gonna have to order it online. Sad face, but it's all good. I'm not worried. But anyhow, so that really concludes my Sunday fun day. Very chill, but totally enjoyable with the family. Thank you for chilling with us today. What is up, Glammies? Today we are doing an unboxing. We are checking some things off of my luxury fragrance wish list. Round of applause. I'm so excited to open with you all. Now we'll go ahead. Let me just be clear on the record. I did not spend my own money. I will say this. If you're going to accept an apology, accept it somewhere that you can spend it. Okay, girl? Make them pockets hurt. Make them pockets hurt. Make your pockets hurt. So, let's get into it. First, I'm going to start with this bag. Okay. I don't know why she put the receipt in my bag, but actually this is a good thing so I can tell you all the exact price. Behold, we have, this was not the first perfume I grabbed because when I went in there knowing exactly what I wanted to get. When they ask you, is that all you want? Is it? Please, test somebody else. Try somebody else. Baby, I can go all day. So, my second purchase was the Maison Francis Kurkdjian. I grabbed my Gentle Fluidity, you all, and I did get it in gold. I told you all this is a warm vanilla smell. I fell in love with it all over again. It was just like perfect, so feminine, like love this smell. And I got it in the smaller size. This is the 70 milliliter, and the 2.4 ounce, and it is the eau de parfum. And this ran him $255.92, which is really not that bad. So I encourage 10 out of 10. Yes, girl, yes, because as soon as he smelled it, he was like, yes. So I said yes, because why not? Moving on to our next gift. Oh, I have been talking about it. I have been obsessing over it ever since I smelled it for my birthday in September. It is now January, and it is in your girl's possession. So for this one, y'all, I asked her to like pack it up. I want my full experience. I'm so excited, like full experience. So the packaging itself is just like phenomenal. And then I'm gonna pull my ribbons off. It's just like, oh my gosh. Gentle Fluidity Gold. It's a very warm, vanilla, spicy, like that type of smell. This bond number 9. Let's talk about the bond number 9. I deserve. Make his pockets hurt. 'Cause I deserve to be loved. Yes! Yes, y'all. Yes, and yes again and again and again. Finally, your girl has her bond number 9. Bond number 9, love it when you got it on. Baby, you so hot, all these diamonds cool you down. Girl, when I tell y'all, and I didn't even want to spend my own money on it, so it's just like, oh, I don't encourage anyone to go through any type of heartbreak to get what they want, but I'm happy. Just sliding it right out the packaging. Oh, I just smell it now. I'm so geeked. Oh. Oh my God. And she smells so good. Just, can we take a moment? Can we take a moment? Okay, no. The moment's done. That did it for the moment. It was the briefest moment, but no. Putting it right back in the box because no. So I'm gonna hold it and show y'all because no, I was trying to do too much and no. So with the bond number 9, it says the result is an oriental vanilla with a touch of light florals. Y'all, so anything with vanilla is gonna ground me in it. I'm gonna love it, like no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But this one has still like some type of a musk to it. It's like it's a celebration of individuality and creativity and rich heritage, like, and it just gives off like, oh my God, like, let me take it out because I need to smell her. Oh, I'm so intoxicated. Like, it's so intoxicating. Oh my God, I cannot. When I tell you I can't wait, I can't wait. So the very last thing that I have that I wanted to show y'all, it's not going to be an unboxing. I may have already seen it while I was talking to y'all about the other fragrances. Y'all know I originally had the, well, I don't know if you know, but if you didn't know, then now you know I originally had the iPhone 11 Pro Max, right? So your girl today got upgraded to the iPhone 13. I didn't go max this time, but I did go pink. And I'm just very grateful. Now I have like my personal, well, this is going to be my personal phone. Well, this is going to be my business phone because a lot of people already have this number. A lot of business is already being conducted on this phone, but this is going to now be my personal phone so I can disconnect the two and like prioritize and so on and so forth. And I just always wanted to have 2 phones, and now your girl I got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the load. But nah, for real, y'all, I have no well, I could complain, but I'm not gonna complain because I'm gonna always win in the end, period. I hope y'all enjoyed this little cute unboxing because I am very much excited about all things. Yes, you did. I literally FaceTime directed her exactly where to go, and it still took her 15 minutes. I'm not lying. I am not lying. But you look great, friend. You look amazing. The girls. Yes, we are. Ooh, yay. Everything came right on time. Okay, well, it's okay if you don't like it, but tell the people what you got.
Okay, I don't know what this is. It's supposed to be some form of espresso martini. So it has it looks like coffee beans in it. It looks like champagne with coffee beans. Okay, let's see. Oh, this shit is good.
Ooh, you was talking. Oh, well, I was talking shit too.
Y'all want to take home? Yeah.
Okay.
It tastes like a coffee. It's with a spike. you get yours, right?
Go ahead. Good? Oh, yes, honey. I love that. Sidebar. Do y'all see this camera quality? I'm getting this camera. Thank you, friend. Cheers.
Let me show you this shot.
Love leaving your friend the purple cookie tip because it's her favorite color. Brunch with the girls. Obviously, I've been here for a decent amount of time because y'all see it's dark outside, but we definitely needed that time. I'm encouraging you all to be very intentional about the friendship dates that you all have. It's time for me to head home. So I encourage you guys that when you come to Parkside, check out Zoo Bar. It's connected to the same building. It's all connected. The drinks are really, really good. The food is great. Started off very interesting, if I'm gonna be transparent, but they did win me over, so it wasn't all bad. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, and I will check y'all next time.